What's good, YouTube? I am back here with another custom, and today we got a real special one. Let me go and show y'all. Y'all already know there is only one person in the world that can wear this size.
Push up two. Bryant to Shaq.
Shaq Diesel. Shaq Diesel. He sent 2 pair of kicks to my house. Ended up meeting them probably about a week ago. My car group. I'll link everything for our car group down below. But we actually ended up being on his TV show, A Day in the Life of Shaq. Ended up chopping it up with him. He sent some kicks to my crib, and he roasted me.
It's Shaq, I'm here with baby Usher. See them waves?
Hey, chill out, man. Yeah, he got me with that one. Ain't gonna even cap. But I'm finna go on and hook my boy up. 2 pairs. Let's go and hop straight into it. So the first Adidas, the first Reebok that he ended up sending me, I ended up putting him and Kobe here. Kind of, but this is like a whole Laker tribute back to Kobe, of course. So we got him and Kobe here, Superman logo ripping out the shoe. And I also want to pay homage to LSU, of course, he rocked out there. And then on the other one, once again, another picture of him and Kobe on the side, following up with, of course, DJ on the inside of the shoe. And the last pair, which was something a lot more simpler, I rolled out where he was the most dominant. I went with the Orlando Magic. Like I said, this was the most simpler pair. Just put his number, his logo, and of course the Orlando Magic logo. Kept it plain and simple because the other pairs kind of over the top a little bit, but can't wait to see what he's gonna think of the kicks. It's a rainy day, cameraman in here, but you know what though? Still gonna get these kicks to Shaq. Let's go.
You did that?
Yes, sir.
Tell him, do it.
Gotta be there, man.
You take a picture.
Oh, Shaq, nah. You see him? You see him? My man's hard with it.
I know you gonna light up, man.
You got my number, right?
Yeah, I got you. Last thing. Got time reserved. You gonna say time, man.
No, we good. We good. Thank you.
Hey man, say man, how you feel about the review about the shoe, man? What you think he thought about it? Hold up, not in the rain, not in the rain.
Don't be so hard.
Yeah.
Well done.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Cap it on.
Yeah.
Cap it on.
Oh yeah, Diesel. Okay.
Go and cap it on.
Okay.
Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished.
I got one more question. Everybody been telling me to ask you. Yeah. When you knocked on bro and pushed him on the ground, what would you think? Get off me.
Rise to the times. Here's Shaq. Against Dudley. Nice. Shaquille O'Neal was so powerful on that move that Dudley.
Back at the crib, as you saw in the video, Shaq liked the kicks, man. So that's a job well done on my part. But that is going to conclude everything for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Y'all make sure to do all the good stuff. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't already, y'all follow me on TikTok. And also follow me on Instagram. I will link everything down below. Other than that, though, you guys stay safe out here. Bless up.
G1, GB, I know that you see me. Like and subscribe, you can see I'm doing big things. Custom clothing, custom shoes, yeah, I'm all that.